So Jaguar X-Type boot struts. So these ones are quite flimsy, so I'll just show you when I press the boot release. You can hear the boot release mechanism then. It should pop the boot up just a little bit, but it doesn't. So if we lift the boot up, and it's not pushing the boot all the way up, what I've also found is that when you put it down, it comes down very quickly and sometimes shuts your fingers in there. So I'm going to change the struts like this. So I was actually given these struts. They've got a spring on them here. They're rated like something like 600 newton meters. So these will probably be completely the opposite in terms of what they do. And these are probably going to launch the boot lid up quite quick. But they should be a direct fit, and they should be nice and easy to do. So the boot struts, like any struts really, or most cars, these have a little metal sort of tab, if you like, at each end of the ball, and with a flatbed screwdriver, you can pop it in there. Doing this one-handed, like that. I'll do the same up here, and the strut should come out. And the new one literally pushes on. Like that. These springs in it, so I'm going to give it quite a bit of tension. See on it says 600 newton meters, so I expect these are going to be interesting. I'm just going to line that ball up with that little pin there. Push it on, and literally repeating the same on the other side. Line them up, push them in. Magic, look at that.